Okay, traders, hi and welcome to our weekly outlook. Hope that you are good, hope you're doing well. Okay, hope that you are in our Telegram chat. Why? Because I've been posting there really nice ideas for you and it's totally for free. Okay, so if you go at the beginning of that week, for example, okay, you'll exactly know what has just happened. Okay, the XY was expecting up and then it went down. Okay, so that one was a really good chart. Okay, and DXY we were anticipating all those breakdowns, and what the DXY did, it went down really well. Okay, so if you are with us, you should be into the profit. USD cat, here's also one scenario. I have shown you that there it will be a correction, and what the price did, it made a correction over there and then it went up aggressively. Okay, so you should have a really nice trades. Okay, we in our trading room, we took a couple of those trades and we made a nice profit. Okay, so if you're interested to join us, simply just go to our website, okay, masteryodaacademy.com, okay, and go under the membership, okay, and choose which membership you would like to take, okay, and you will have a best community for the forex and for the education. Okay, and I do guarantee that you will make a lot of profit and you will learn how the market moves and why it moves. Okay, then our trading academy, you have pre-recorded few videos. Okay, those videos are with a lot of knowledge, and when you will pass those videos, then you will be able to watch on the market like we do. Okay, and I'm also having a everyday a daily webinar for my clients. Okay, we are also active in Slack community. We are all the time talking about setups. We are taking sometimes the same, we are taking the same trades. Okay, so yes, our community is the wonderful community, and if you're with us, you will be in the profit. I can guarantee that. Okay, so let's start. Here is my trading view profile for those who are not following me. Okay, I haven't posted this week any setups. Okay, I was a little bit busy. Okay, as you can see that sorry, XAU USD or gold went up a little bit higher as we were anticipated, but like I said, I have sent you in the Slack a setup from here. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, if I will go back exactly from there, you see I have shown you that move, and you should be into that move and you should have a nice profit. Okay, so if you don't have a profit, then you're doing something really wrong. Okay, so that trade was from here. No, I think it was from here. Okay, this is the really nice trade and you should have it. Okay, USD cat, I have told you. Okay, there under the idea you will find the step-by-step analysis. Okay, when the price was there, I have shown you wait for the correction, then take the trade. So let's see what the price did. It went up, then we were started to watch, and boom, price it just went up aggressively. Okay, so let's see. Okay, if I'll hit the play, what the price did, boom, it did exactly what we were anticipated. Okay, and that idea is now gone, so you will now be sticking for a sell. Okay, you are watching for a sell opportunity now on the USD cat, but I will show you later step by step how you will watch it and what you will be waiting for. UUSD, it went up really nice, really nice. Okay, we took many trades over there on the bottom. Okay, we have positions placed over there. Okay, there are our positions from our with our traders. Okay, we took some trades with our traders there at the bottom. Okay, then the price went up really aggressively. Okay, so USD is doing a wonderful profit. Okay, so let's check the others. DXY, okay, like I have shown you and told you before. Okay, it went up and then it dropped aggressively. Okay, as you can see under the idea, I have also let you know, or I have also updated you with the step by step. Okay, as you can see, when that has happened, then we were waiting for the correction, take the trade, correction, take the trade. Okay, so if you did, you have a really nice profit. Okay, so There are no ways that you will have a losing trade. Okay, it doesn't matter if there is the gold which has went up higher. Okay, that doesn't mean we are having a losing trade. Okay, and I can guarantee that we didn't took any sells over there. Okay, we are the sellers from here, and you also could be a seller from there. Okay, this is our first sign. Okay, let's watch the other New Zealand chief. It went or dropped down really aggressively. Okay, from that spot. Okay, we were exactly waiting for that move. Okay, first was that move, then it went a little bit lower. Okay, here's also a step by step. As you can see, if you watch it and if you take it, great, you did a really nice profit. So there are no way that you're not in profit. Pound Aussie, I will explain you later. It's still struggling over there. I have taken there a sell. Okay, there was my sell. I took that sell and closed it on break even. Okay, so now I will wait again for my sell setup. At the moment, I and we don't have a sell setup, but we will definitely watch it closely in our trading room. Okay, we will watch in the pound Aussie really closely. New Zealand yen, it went down. Okay, so all stocks are down except of gold. Okay, I have told you that we will wait for the gold here, but there wasn't a sell setup. Okay, and you should not be a seller. Okay, this is your sell setup. First sign is there. Okay, so that's all. Let's start and go one by one what we are anticipating in the upcoming week. Okay, the DXY is falling really nicely. Okay, that was the wonderful trade. If you are with us since previous weekly market outlooks, you will be able to trade all those setups. Okay, so what you will do now? Nothing. You cannot do anything. If that it will just fall, you cannot take it. Wait for the correction. Okay, when the correction will appear over there, you will be able to take the trade. Okay, otherwise you cannot get in. You cannot just sell right now. Okay, that will be a really stupid idea and you will lose money. Okay, I can guarantee that you will lose all your capital. Okay, or even more stupid mistake which you can did is get into the buy. Okay, those are the two stupid mistakes which you should not do. Okay, don't be such an Instagram trader. Okay, so let's go. Euro USD, okay, like I have shown you or told you, we were buyers from here. Okay, those are our buys. So what we will do now, you can also wait for a slow correction over there. That will be probably a 1 hour correction. Okay, as you can see, that will be probably a little bit bigger correction. Then this will be continued to the upside. Okay, I don't see that this will continue to the downside based on that behavior and based on this, not yet. Okay, I don't see that this will go down. There are no signs of any sells. So, like I said, wait for the correction, then take the trade to the upside. Okay? So watch it closely and you'll see how that will plays out. But definitely don't watch for sells. Okay? If that oh sorry. In any way, in any case, if that will break down, ignore. Okay? No. You are only watching a buy setups. Okay? In pound USD. Okay? We were watching that, how it will plays out. It went up, okay. In the previous weekly market outlook, I have told you, watch for that correction. Then the price has just started to push higher. Okay, I was watching there that this it will continue to the upside and then drop. Okay, but it didn't. Okay, it just dropped from here. Okay, so what you will do now? Let me take a look on bigger picture. There's the daily picture, and yes, that can also continue to the downside more. Let's see. Okay, everything based now on the correction. So definitely, I will just delete that arrow so it will not confuse you. Okay, I will delete that one, that one. Okay, so if that will correct like that, take the trade. This is going totally to the downside. We will never go to the upside again. Okay, this is your sell setup, and if that will appear, you can take the sell. We are going down. If that will start to push higher, give you a correction there, we are going up. Okay, so we are on the spot where we will have to wait on the correction. Correction will tell us what the price will do and where we are going to. But I'm much sure that this will go to the upside. Okay, I don't see that this will give us any sell setups. Not yet for maybe on Wednesday. Okay, on the Wednesday there will be much more clearly picture what the price will do, but at the moment we will watch for the buys. New Zealand USD, okay, it didn't give us a correction. We were anticipating a correction, deeper correction before taking the trades. The price didn't, okay, it doesn't matter. We didn't took any sells, okay. So what we will do now, let me show you the daily. What the daily is showing to us, okay. The daily is showing us the buy, and yes, you will be watching that buy. Okay, I will erase all those trend lines so it will not confuse you. Okay, and this is my picture. We are going up. So what I will do, I will watch for my buy setup. Let me show. This is my arrow, and this is the direction of my trading. Okay, I will watch for the buy setups, and I will take all the buy setups. At the moment, do we have any buy setup? Nope. There are no buy setups. There is maybe one more sell. It can go one more low, then we will start to push higher. But at the moment, there is no buy setup, and we cannot do anything. Okay, wait for strong break. Okay, if you pull the trend line over there, wait for the strong break, wait for the correction, take the trade to the upside. Okay, so this correction is your entry. Is the chief what do we have there? The price has went down really aggressively. Okay, go back and watch our weekly market outlooks. Okay, that wave was really nice and it's being forecasted from our weekly market outlooks. Okay, so traders, you're doing really well because you are just following us. And yeah, if you have a time or if you understand how the market reacts, how the market does, and how to enter that market which we were analyzing, okay, you should have a nice profit. Okay, so great traders, you did a really nice job. And yes, we also took those trades. Okay, we took all those trades in our trading room. Now we will stop selling. Okay, at the moment, okay, those who are having a sales from there, great. If you want, you can keep them and watch. If that correction will do something like that, we are going much more down. Okay, we will go deeper. Okay, that can go a little bit deeper. Okay, so yes, probably it can go and tag that bottom, but we will see. At the moment, this is not the spot where you can add more cells. Okay, don't sell from spot like there. Okay, stay away if you're not in already. Okay, so you will wait for the bigger correction, then you'll take the trade. Okay, here's the kid. Like I said, wonderful trade. You did a nice profit there. Okay, it plays out perfectly. Went up like we were anticipated. I have shown you this move. It will go up, it will correct, it will go up. Okay, so if you took it, great. You are doing really well. You see? Okay, so what we will do now, let me watch a daily time. Daily will probably push much more lower now. Okay, I think that this is completed now. Okay, so for me, that is a completed now. Let me just leave that on lines. That's completed for me now. Okay, but we have to wait a lower time frame to see how that will plays out. Okay, but definitely that's our trade for now. Okay, delete also that turn line. It just confuses. Okay, so now we have a clear picture, but we don't have a clear setup. Okay, so what you will do, watch for a sell setup and take all those sell setups. There is a nice wave which is coming to the downside. Okay, that wave can also extend up to that bottom. Okay, so it will be worth of taking it. Okay, and you should not miss it. Just keep your eyes and you will see how far that will go. But at the moment there is nothing. Okay, there are no setups. Just simply watch and wait it. Okay, you will see how far to go and how it will appear. New Zealand Chief, like I said, there was nice trades. Okay, nice trade. I will delete that. It's gone. If you missed it, okay, you have to prepare for the next move. So what the next move is, let me see. That move can just correct and push down. Okay, so be careful now. You will watch how the correction plays out, and this can go easily tagging that bottom. Okay, tagging that bottom is probably next target. Okay, but we will watch on lower time frame how that will plays out. If you have any short correction, that can go really fast. Okay, so watch your lower time frame and see how it will plays out. As you can see that there's a 4 hour. which is trying to stop right now. Okay, that can give you something like that, bit bigger correction. Then this will be your last push to the downside. Okay, enter it here and take the profit when this will hit the previous bottom. Okay, great. So let me just draw the trend line. Okay, this is a wave which you can watch. Okay, watch, but don't sell without correction. Okay, don't wait now when the market will open, just enter the trade and see how far. No, that's not a trading. Okay, that's called a gambling, and you should not be doing this. Okay, this is what people are doing with indicators. When they see some indicator is overshot or what, they are buying. Okay, I have seen that many traders are already buying the New Zealand chief. Okay, why? Because their reason is they have oversold indicators. Great, those are definitely best traders in the world. Okay, they are probably broke as fuck and they don't have for a lunch. Okay, so yes, that's not what is called trading. This is gambling. If you watch oversold indicators, okay, for example, if you see that RSI is oversold, you will jump in because this is going up. No, that's not correct, and that will not do. Okay, price, it will take you the whole your account. You will blow the whole your account. So don't try to play on indicators. Okay, the indicators are lagging indicators, and they are not showing you in the right time where the price will go. Okay, trust me, I've been in this industry for quite a long, and that will not work out for you. Okay, I've been doing this and for a few years, and it didn't give me any profits. Okay, maybe if you will be a profitable, great. Okay, you're probably the one trader which is successful with trading on indicators. Okay, so let's go forward. New Zealand cat, what do we have there? Okay, it will probably go and take the previous bottom. Okay, there was the correction which just has finished. Okay, so as you can see that what we were anticipating in the previous weekly market outlook, if you don't believe and don't trust us, go back and check it. You'll see what we were anticipated. So what the price will do, it will probably push lower, lower, lower. But at the moment, can you take the sell? No, you cannot take any sells. That's not the price, and the price is not telling you that you can take the sells. Okay, wait for the correction, take the sell, wait for the correction, take the sell. Okay, if not, just let it go. That's not a trade for you. Aussie New Zealand, okay? That's quite a tricky trade, okay? That looks like it will probably start to push higher, okay? I don't see, let me see a daily time frame. Hmm. Okay, we were watching that for a sell, okay? If you are with us since previous week market outlook, if you take that entry, okay, here, you have enough time to move your trade and break even. Why? Because as you can see, and your brain should see that this price, it doesn't move to the downside, okay? So you should move and break even, and you should have enough time to protect your capital and close that on break even. So what the price is doing at the moment? Let's see. Let's take a look and delete all those trend lines. Okay, that can easily start to push higher. Okay, so what price can do? It will start to push higher. Okay, it can go tag that high and then can drop. Okay, this is the scenario which can appear. Let me see in 1 hour what do we have there. Okay, but at the moment nothing. Okay, there is no buy setup. Okay, you cannot wait for the buy setup that can just go down. Be careful. But there is no setup. Wait for the sell setup. If that will just fall, correct like that, take the trade. It's going down. Okay, if that will go up, correct back, you can take the trade. We are going up. Okay, it's so easy. It looks like really easy, but you'll have to spend much more time to study the charts if you would like to enter those corrections. Okay, but at the moment there is nothing. Wait for the correction, take the trade. If that will go up, correct, take the buy. Okay, so easy. So let's move forward. Here in New Zealand, it went up really, really perfectly. Also, okay, wonderful trade. So what you will do? Nothing. You cannot take the buy. Okay. So I hope that you're not that so crazy that you will be buying at the top. Okay. If you watch the daily is at the top of the structure, and stay away from the buying at the top. Can I sell? No, you cannot sell because your indicator is telling you you should sell. No, we are oversold, yes. And so what? You should not sell it right now. You should wait on a lower time frame. to give you any signs of a reversal. Okay, that should be a nice sell impulse. Then it should be a correct. Then you can take the trade to the downside. Okay, otherwise ignore it. You should not be a buyer. If you miss the buys from here, 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 or here, don't jump into the buy. Okay, you weren't ready for that buy, and the move is over. And like I said, yes, stay away from the buy. So what we'll do, we will watch for the sell. At the moment, there are no signs of the sells, like I said. Okay, watch for the sell setup, and you will see how far that will go. Euro Aussie went up really nicely. Okay, so what the price will do, I don't know. I will watch the daily. Let's see the daily. What do we have there? That's the really big picture. Okay, we are always watching the bigger pictures. Okay, so the price will start to fall. Okay, so let me see. Yes, we are going down, but from the spot where it is right now, nope. We are not. Wait for your sell setups. Okay, those are your sell setups. Okay, be patient and watch for your sell setups. Don't jump into the trade right now. Watch for at least 1 hour sell setup. Okay. Okay, let's move forward. Aussie cat, it went down. Okay, you cannot do anything. Okay, stay away from the chart. That's not the chart for you. Okay, I will label you with a red, so you will not be watching it. Okay, we were also watching Aussie Chuve. What just happened over there? Okay, while we were watching for the buy, we were watching for the buy, but we didn't have any buy setups from the spot where I'm showing you right now. Okay, there is the setup for sell. Let me show you why. Let's see. Okay, that we were watching that as an expanded flat. Okay, but we didn't have any buy setups from the spot right there. We had a sell setup. So what does this mean? Okay, that has told us that this is not a expanded flat, and the bigger picture, we relook at the structure, and it has clearly shown to us that we are going down. Okay, my traders didn't watch for that buy. Okay, because there wasn't any signs of buy. There are the sign for a sell. Okay, so like I said, if we were watching for some buys, it doesn't mean that we take them like crazy people when they put there are many indicators. Let's see. Okay, this is the oversold, this is the oversold. That indicator is telling me blah 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 and so on. Okay, they have a thousand of indicators. They have also a Bollinger Bands. I don't know, RSI, support and resistance, whatever. Okay, they will take the trade because the indicators are telling to them that we are going up. No, the chart is telling to you when it's ready. Okay, you should not jump into the trade. Aussie USD. Okay, let's watch. It has went down. We were anticipating a buy. We didn't. What? Sorry. We didn't took that buy yet because there wasn't a buy setup. So what we are doing, we are still anticipating that buy. Okay. So let's see a weekly time frame. What we are doing right now. Okay. We are still watching for that buy. Okay. We will not move from that buy. Okay. But is buy ready right now? No, the buy is not ready right now. Okay. So what we will do, we will watch for the buy setup. So do we have a buy setup? No, there's no buy setup. That will probably go a little bit lower. Then it will went up, give you a correction, and it will start to push higher. Okay, this is your correction where you will be focused for your buy. But at the moment, that sell, it's quite risky and you should not be taking that sell. Okay, it's on the bottom, and next deep correction can take you out with a losing trade. Catch if, okay, it went down really nicely. Okay, so catch if it's quite a specific one. We were watching that there for selling from here. Then we were watching for sell from here. Then it went up a little bit higher. Then it went down aggressively. Okay. If you catch that sell really nice, okay, there was the many sell setups which you will be able to catch. So what you will do, let me see if you can sell more. Let me see. I will delete those lines. What do we have there? I haven't been behind my screens and I didn't watch the charts over the weekend because I was busy. I have some appointments. So yes, the chart can just start to push higher. Let me see. But at the moment, that's not right. That probably will give you one more correction and it will go down. Okay, one more down, less down. Okay, correct and short down. Okay, if you watch for that sell, take the trade and take off your profit. Okay, that will probably correct. It went down, take the trade and take off your profit. Okay, don't watch there for a long trend. That's not gonna happen. Okay, that's not go far. That it will start to push higher really soon. Okay, so this will go up. Just okay. So there's the setup. You can take it, but I don't recommend you to take that. Sell. Okay, I will stay away from the sell. Here, chief. What do we have there? It's struggling there at the bottom. Okay, but we are still anticipating that move. That move hasn't finished, and that move is still anticipated. Okay, I will be all sorry. I will be all the time watching for that move. Okay, the move it's not done, and we are probably going. That will probably correct over there. Okay, then you can take the trade. We are going up, but you have to be careful how that will plays out. Okay, let's see. Give me just a second. Let me check the structure. Okay, the structure is quite risky. Yep, that will correct. Then it will fall. Let's see. 4 hour. Yeah, I see that that will probably correct there, and then it will go up. Okay. It can even go and extend that big correction. Okay, there it can be a bigger correction before going to the downside. Okay, so the whole year 2020 can be in the correction, but we will see. We'll watch that closely. We don't know exactly. No, there are no clear signs of deeper correction. Okay, but that can just stay first sideways and then it will go up. Okay, so watch for your buy, like I said. Okay, I'm watching for my buy setups all the time. Silver, it went down really aggressively. Wonderful trade. Okay, there was the sell. Okay, there was the many sell setups. If you take it, great. So what you can do now? Nothing. Okay, that can start at push higher. This is probably a completed pattern, and this can start at a push higher. Okay, so be damn sure that this is a reversal. You should not jump into the trade, like I said before. Just jump in. Okay, that can just correct there. Okay, and that correction will tell me that we are going definitely tagging that bottom. Okay. So watch the correction and see how it will plays out. Okay, you will see. XAGUSD, like I have told you, we were watching for the sales from here. There wasn't any sell setups. Okay, so if you are with us, you have a wonderful trade. Okay, wonderful trade. I think I have posted the setup from here, or it was from here. I don't know exactly, but definitely this is your entry. Okay, so you should already have a 20% booked of your account over there. Okay, at least. Okay, if you don't know how to trade and if you're a worse trader, you should have at least 2% of the profit already on your account. Okay, so what we will do, let's see, let me show the daily picture. The daily picture is showing me still more downside. Okay, so what we will do, we'll wait for We'll wait all the time for those corrections. We'll take the sell. We'll wait for the correction. We'll take the sell. We'll wait for the correction. We'll take the sell. Okay. We'll be selling all the way back to that trend line, and we will decide over there what the price will do. Okay. There we will relook at the structure and see how and which signs of reversal do we have there and what the pattern is telling to me. Okay. Like I said, wait for a sell setup. Take your sell setups. We are going down. USDN. Okay. It went down really aggressively. Okay, thanks to coronavirus, it has just dropped that USDN to the downside. Okay, so what it can do, the price can just go down, tagging that bottom. Okay, be careful. So what you will do? What's your second scenario? Okay, I will delete that. By the way, there is the wonderful buy setup. Okay, many of my traders took it, but like I said, what we'll do now, wait for the correction, take the sell. Okay, that will be a word, or that will be a good trade if you'll take it. Okay, wait for the correction and take the trade. We are going at least tagging that bottom. Okay, so wait for the correction. Let me just draw that. Come on, what's going on? Okay, something like that, correct? And then it will go at least tagging that bottom. Okay, that's the wave which you can watch. Okay, that could be a 1 hour correction. Yes, that's definitely be 1 hour correction, and then we are going down. But at the moment, there are no signs of the sells. Wait for the correction. If you will be able to sell it from the top. But at the moment, like I said, you don't have nothing. Just wait for the correction. Take the trade to the downside. New Zealand yen, okay, went down really aggressively and a little bit too earlier. I was expecting that this move will complete itself over there, but it just started to push lower. So what you will do now? Nothing. Just let it go. Okay, just let it go. It went down without me. Okay, I didn't took it, so I'll watch for the buy order. Okay, and that will be probably my next move. Okay, that move is over now. We were anticipating, and it went down really aggressively. So yes. So what you will do now? That's our next move. Okay, price probably stay for a sideways. Couple of more weeks. Okay, but let's see. And that can also continue to downside. Okay, that could be just a correction which is finished by itself, and it can just go a little bit lower. Okay, so you will have to be careful. If there will be a nice sell correction, you can take this sell. Okay, but at the moment there are no sell setups, nice sell setups. Okay, wait for a bigger sell, take it, and don't expect it to go really far. Just taking that bottom. Okay, that will be your target. Eurocard. It exploded to the upside. Okay, it did really nice. Okay, it corrected there. Okay, there was the one more correction which just tell us we are going down. Okay, what it did, it went down and then boom to the upside. So what you will do now, let me show you what and how you will trade it. You will wait for the correction, you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, so simple. Wait for your buy setup. If that will break down, okay, just simply ignore it. That's not a trade which you would like to take. ASEAN, okay, there is a correction which is finished itself and it went down. Great, so can I take the sell? No, if you didn't sell already, you cannot take the sells. Okay, so what can I do? Probably nothing. You will just watch for the buy setup. Okay, buy is your priority for the upcoming week. Okay, so watch for the buy. Canadian. That probably will continue the downside. Let me see 4 hour. Yep, that will correct there, and we are going taking that bottom. Okay, this is your sell setup. Chifian. Let's see. That can start to push higher. Watch for your buy setup. Okay, it will go higher. That. This is. This could be a nice trade. Let's see. It can go a little bit lower, but like I said, watch for the buys. Watch for your buy setups. Okay, don't immediately buy. Why? Because this can just drop and you will have a losing trade. Here again, let's see. We were anticipating that it will start to push higher, but it didn't. It just break down. So is it invalidated? Not sure. Let me see daily structure. No, that can still push to the upside. That move isn't over yet. Okay, that can still start to push higher. So what can you do? Wait for the buy setup, take the trade. Okay, this is your buy setup and take that short-term buy. If that will drop, okay, simply wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so you have only two scenarios and these are your setups and you should be patient. Okay, before it will appear, you should not be a buyer or neither seller. Your GBP went up really nicely. Okay, that's the nice move. And yeah, like I said, congratulations, guys. So what you will do now, Okay, we are done. We will watch for the sell. Oh, isn't that great? First I'm watching for buy, then I'm watching for sell. Wow, that's so easy. Okay, so what we will do, wait for your sell setups, take your sell setups, we are going down. That move can be really fast. Let's watch a daily. Yep. That can really go fast. Typical can go really fast, like I've told you. Okay? Watch that correction going down. Can that go a little bit higher? Yes, it can go, but it doesn't matter. I'm still watching for sell. Okay? It can just push higher, 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 and then my wave will be still to the downside. Okay? So watch for your sell setup and see how that will play out. That can go really fast, like I said. Yeah, pound Aussie. Let's see. Pound Aussie, I'm still watching for the sell. Like I said, I took one sell and took it on break even, and that's all. So what I will do now, I'm still watching for my sell. I will not stop selling because we are at the top of the structure and that's still showing me we're going down. Okay, I still didn't change my view. So where I took the sell, that's my sell. Okay, I have two sells. One is from here, one was from here, and I ended up with break even trades. Okay, so what I will do now, nothing. I will just simply wait for some kind of sell setup, then I will take the trade. Otherwise, I will simply ignore it. Okay, that's not a sell. And what the price can do, it can just easily push to the upside. So that's quite simple, guys. Just keep your eyes for your sell setup. Okay, wait a lower time frame for those corrections. Okay, you will be selling those corrections. But without having that correction, don't jump into the sell. Okay, don't be so aggressive and don't force the market. Okay, Pound New Zealand, same scenario. What the price will do, it will go down. Okay, so what you will have to do, nothing, just wait for the sell setup, then take the trade. Okay, that's so simple. You don't need to complicate things in our lives. Okay, just simply wait for that. Okay, that will probably go down, breaking that bottom. Okay, this is what the price will do. Okay, it will probably go at least break that bottom. Okay, we will see a break of that bottom, then we can go to the upside. But definitely watch for the sell. Okay, if that will go probably a little bit higher. Okay, if that will go a little bit higher, this wave will not go and breaking bottom. That will probably stop somewhere there, and then we will going up. Okay, some kind of formation like that will form there. Yes, this is called running flat. Okay, so running flat will form there, or we are going completely down and breaking that bottom. But we don't know yet. We will have to keep an eye on it and see how far that will go. Okay, watch for a sell setups, take, sell, take, sell, take, sell, take, and see how it will plays out over there. Okay, but definitely don't watch for the buy. We're too high for watching for the buy. So we are going down. That's your wave, and so what you will do, you will watch for the lower time frame, correction sell, correction sell, correction sell, okay, and see how far that will go. Okay, it's so easy. Watch for sell setups. Pound chief. Okay, it went down really, really nicely and really, really fast. That move has happened really fast. So what you can do? Nothing probably. There will be a probably bigger correction, then we are going tagging that bottom. Okay, that's the next target. Okay, so what can I do? Nothing. You will wait for the correction, then you will be able to take that sell. Okay, or there will be probably small 1 hour correction which will go down, but in a one time this it will appear over there. Okay, if you have a 1 hour correction over there, you will take the trade. Okay, great, take off your profit. 1 to 1 will be enough for you. Okay, but you will see if that will start to go really fast, let it go. Okay, move and break even and see how far and how fast that can move. Okay, pound yen, what do we have there? There was the correction which is finished and it went down really nicely. So what you will do, there's the quite a risky spot. Okay, that could be finished. Okay, and what the price can do, we can start it to push higher. Okay, be careful guys, that can start it to push higher and this could be a finished move. Okay, let me see. Okay, this can be a finished move. We are going to take that high. Okay, let's see how that will present. If there it will be a buy setups, take them. Okay, take all those buy setups to taking that high. Okay, there's the nice trade which is coming over there. But if that were to break to the downside, you'll have a nice sell, and I will let you update it on my trading view profile. But at the moment, I'm not seeing that it will go down. Okay, first let's see how that 1 hour reaction or a 1 hour time frame will plays out. Then we will decide what the price will do. But I'm much more for the upside. Okay. Because the Mexican, it went up really, really aggressively. That's the move. Okay, that's the move. So what you will do now? I don't see nothing there. That will probably correct itself and it will go tagging that high. Okay, so what you will do? Wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so this is your wave which you will be focusing on. Okay, so yes, watch for buy setups, but at the moment the price is not ready, there it will be a quite big correction. Quite bigger correction is needed. Okay, so let me see. Yes, like that. This is the correction which it needs to appear over there before pushing to the upside. Natural gas. Okay, we were anticipating a wave up, then it went down. So where the price is heading to? Price is heading to the downside, but I don't see or yes. The price can go and tagging that bottom. Okay, there is not much more to go. Okay, we are going to tagging that top. So where the price, if that will go and tag that bottom, whoa, that's wonderful shit. That will probably go. Give you a big flat over there, but I don't see at the moment there is nothing what is telling to me that there is the big reversal coming over there. That can just slide slowly pushing down, take the sell. That's the short-term sell. I'm not interested to that short-term sell. Okay, then I will watch for the reaction, watch for the correction, I will take the trade. Okay, I would be a buyer over there. At the moment, I'm not interested. Okay, SP 500, it break down really aggressively. We were wanted first this move to complete to the trend line. What it did, it dropped down really aggressively. Okay, so this is the move which we're anticipating bounce. Okay, look at that. This is the daily drop. Okay, go back and check every hour weekly market outlook, and you will see if that was predictable. Okay, go check it and see if we predict that move or we didn't. Okay, then you will see. So what you can do now? Nothing. Wait for a bigger correction. You can be a seller. Otherwise, stay away from it. Okay, we can go up, but we will see the correction will tell us where we are heading to. UK 100, it went down really nicely. Stay away from it. Okay, it's not tradable at the moment. That one will probably go up. Okay, this is the scenario which will play out over there. Yes, that will start to push higher, but the price is the price ready at the moment? No, price isn't ready at the moment. Okay, this. Watch for a buy, take the buy, watch for the buy, take buy. We are going up. We are going tagging that high, so you will be taking all the buy setups. US oil, it went down. Okay, there was a correction which has strongly break down to the downside. Okay, it just ignore our trend line. So did we take any buy setups? No. Why? Because the price it even didn't stop over there and didn't give us any buy setups. So it just break to the downside. Okay. So what can we anticipate over there? Let's see. That will still go to the upside. Let's see. Yes, that will stay for sideways for a couple of weeks. Okay, that's the next move. Can that go down? Of course it can go, but we need a correction before going to taking that high. Okay, so how can I trade it? Wait for the correction. If that correction will appear, take the trade. We're going to taking that bottom. If that will bounce us off, correct back, we're going up. Okay, so that's the buy setup, and you should take it. US 30, it went down really aggressively like SP 500. So what can I do now? Wait for the correction, take the sell. Okay, Ripple, oh, Platinum, sorry, Platinum. We were anticipating that move, okay, since there, and there was the one sell, short-term sell. It went down really aggressively. Wait, so what can I do now? Nothing. Okay, that's not a spot for selling. You need to have a bigger correction before selling. Okay, so that's not a price for selling, and stay away from it. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I was watching it, but I didn't take that trade. Okay. Okay, this is the correction since previous weekly market outlook. I didn't take that trade. I didn't like it. Okay, so what the price will do, it will probably correct, give you a bigger correction order, then it will fall. Bitcoin has a really nice wave to the downside. Okay, that the first move or first target. Okay, if that will be aggressive, the next target is 300, 3000, sorry. So yes, like I said, wait for the correction, take the sell. Okay, let's see. Yes, you will probably have a sell order, then you can take that sell. Okay, that's your sell setup and take the sell. We are going at least tagging that bottom. So yes, watch it closely and see how it will play out. Okay, the last one is the Ripple. Okay, it also break that correction and went down. So what the price is doing, it's struggling over there. If that will do something like that, we are going down. Okay, so like I said, this is a nice sell and you can take this sell. Can that bounce us off aggressively? Of course it can. Okay, so what the price will do, we will see, and we have to decide when the price will take that top. Okay, my traders will know and they know the rules, how to check that and when to take that trade. Okay, this trade will go and tag in the previous bottom. Okay, so this is the pattern which we have to follow, but when that pattern will be completed, we will know. We have a special rules and definitions when this is completed and when we can start to sell. Okay. So yes, like I said, wait for the buy, probably that there will be a buy. Short-term buy, we will take that buy. No, we will just simply ignore it. Watch for that bigger correction and we will take the trade. Okay? So traders, there was many trades or many pairs, currency pairs, and also commodities and indexes where you will have to wait for the correction before taking a sell or buy. Okay, like I have shown you on the video. Okay? So guys, be careful and may the profit be with you. Okay? Take care and see you on the next Sunday. Bye bye.